You hear a lot about sustainability and going green these days, and the city of Champlin is doing just that. There's a solar energy project that's going on that's going to reduce the natural gas and electric consumption. We talked with Community Development Director John Cox, who gives us some background.
Yes, we're really excited about this solar energy modular panel project. $1.2 million. We've joined forces with partners with Silicon Energy, Newport Partners, and Powerfully Green to install solar panels on 4 of our buildings here at City Hall. The work is actually taking place now in April, should be done at the end of the month, and will come in with great savings for the residents here in Champlin. The residents will save roughly about $20,000 in the first 6 years, and in years 7 through 40, the savings to the city and the residents will be about $1 million. In addition to that, it is a renewable energy source that is not a pollution generated source.
Well, it's really a marvelous project. We have 4 big systems going on 4 of the city buildings, and it will provide electricity to those facilities. Behind us, we have the infrastructure for the solar modules to sit on, racking and ballast and whatnot. And the electrician is working to get those in place. This will make direct current electricity. It will go downstairs to the inverters, which convert the DC to AC, and then provide power directly into the building main panel.
Essentially, solar collects the visible light, photons from the sun, and it strikes loose an electron in the cells. And that generates a flow of current. And that current goes through inverters, and it converts DC, direct current, to alternating current, which is what we use in our buildings. And there's no moving parts. So essentially this system will sit here. It's stainless steel and aluminum. It's not going to rust. It's not going to move. It's weighted down with block. So it's just going to sit here for the next 30 or 40 years and make electricity. There's no maintenance cost. The only cost is the equipment and getting it into place. Once then, we have levelized our cost of electricity for the next 40 years.
Well, on this building, we have 204 solar modules. It's a project that was selected to use made in Minnesota solar modules made up in Mountain Iron, Minnesota by Silicon Energy. They're a very durable double glass module. And so this is a 40 kilowatt system that has an estimated production of approximately 45,000 kilowatt hours per year. So over the warranted life of the system, we've got 4 projects, as I mentioned, 160 kilowatts altogether. We estimate that it will save the city over $1 million on their electric bill.
The city is inviting interested young people and community groups to view the panels so they can learn more about the project. If you're interested and would like more details, contact Community Development Director John Cox at 763-923-7104.